Sometimes you ever get the urge for some baby back ribs, but just it's too hot outside, or maybe the weather's not right. You just lack on time. This is the best way to do it, I've come to find out, and they turn out great. Watch and see. This is for a 3-pound pack of pork baby back ribs. You want to use about a tablespoon and a half of paprika, about a tablespoon and a half of light brown sugar, half a tablespoon of kosher salt, half a tablespoon of ground black pepper, and about a quarter teaspoon of crushed red pepper. Mix it all together. Take the baby back ribs out of the package. You see this membrane here? It's best off to remove the membrane. It keeps it from turning out tough and rubbery. So what you do is kind of just get this edge here started. Try to remove as much of this membrane as possible. It keeps it from being tough and chewy. Try to get off it as much as you can. It's a little tough. Just kind of got to work with it. Once you have all the membrane off, be sure to use your dry rub. Use half for one side and half on the other side. Rub that all in there real nice and neat. Oh yeah. Oh, that's gonna turn out good. Once you got your dry rub on there, you want to use a barbecue sauce. We got this bullseye barbecue sauce from our local HEB. Works great. Put that on there, rub that all in there. Oh yeah. And this side here, same thing. Once you got your dry rub on there and your barbecue sauce, put it inside your crock pot on low. Make sure they're gonna fit. If they don't fit, you may have to do some chopping on them a little bit. But that's basically it. You wanna leave it on low for about 5 to 6 hours. That way they turned out nice, juicy, and tender. You can put it on high for 2 to 3 hours, but they may not turn out as good. So try it on low for about 5 to 6 hours. That's the best way we've come to find out they work really well. And that's it. Let them just cook. Okay, we've been cooking this for just over 7 hours. We're gonna pull it out right now and see what she looks like. Woo! They're just falling apart. Oh my God. Oh yeah, turned out really good. Meat just falling right off the bone. Let's eat. All right, we got our ribs. We've made us some fresh beans and some coleslaw. I am ready to eat. Try them out. Look at that. It's not even staying on the bone. Coming right off. Oh my God, that is good. What do you think, honey? Mm-hmm.